Okay, marketing team, we got the food truck promotion event coming up in less than a month. We need a great video. It has to be funny, got to get it done quickly, and it has to be good. I'm going to go out there, get me some good actors. I want a rock star musician. You have to make it work. You're asking me about budget? Let me check. Let me check and see what we have. Oh no, we have very little left in the budget for marketing. Listen, you're going to have to make it work. Let me see what I can come up with, because we really need all the money. The profits have to go to our health and wellness center. Let me see what we can come up with. Okay, we got $40. Marketing team, make it work.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Steve.
And we can't wait to go to food trucking on South Adams Street.
As you can see from this sign, this event is going to be amazing.
Oh, yes, it's on August 25th in the Kavod Senior Life parking lot.
There will be all kinds of fabulous food, beer, wine, and entertainment.
An awesome band will play called Manny Shevitz and the Concords, headed by the famous Rabbi Joe Black.
Oh, yes.
In fact,
Fun.
Here he is now with a sample of his music.
I'm just a regular fellow, chicken cordon blues. See you at Food Truckin' on South Adams Street.
Wow, that was terrific.
I know. I can't wait to hear more.
Buy your ticket today at kavodseniorlife.org/food truck.
See you there.